Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce myself in English first and then Chinese. My name is Jen. I am a full-time Chinese teacher and I have been teaching Chinese online for about 7 years. During these years, I've accumulated a lot of learning materials and study tips for students. I also summarized mature teaching methods for either beginners or advanced students. Besides one-on-one Chinese teaching, I also share Chinese learning materials for free on social media and gained over 100K followers. I enjoy teaching Chinese and I'm really looking forward to seeing every new student. 你好，我是简，线上汉语老师是我的全职工作，我也已经教了7年的线上汉语。这7年，我积累了很多学习资料，当然，我也认识了非常多来自世界各地的朋友，这些外国朋友也让我的生活变得更有趣、更丰富，所以我非常期待认识每一个新学生。